it's time to upgrade this mic to this one. Welcome back to another tech control video. Since the very beginning, about a year ago, I started the channel. I've been using this mic by FiFine, and I guess they took notice because they reached out to me and asked if I'd like to review the upgraded model, and I said, yeah, for sure. So they were kind enough to send this mic out to me. I don't think they're sponsoring the channel. Not sure how that works. So let's say no, that they're not sponsoring the channel, but they did send me this, so I figure let's unbox it, let's mount it, and then give me a couple of days and I'll jump right back to this video and give you a review. But before we do that, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe below, and share this video with a buddy or two, especially if you're considering getting one of these FiFine mics. So let's just jump right in and go ahead and unbox it. I don't think I'll need my knife here, but I have it just in case, so let's go right ahead. By the way, I should mention that this is the model T683, and it's a full replacement. So if you guys notice, I have the FiFine mic. I can't remember the model number. I'll try and put it up on the screen here. I actually had to get this desk stand for the mic separate because during one of the videos early on, I was holding the mic in my hand. It was off the camera, but I was holding the mic in my hand, and I also had the iPad with my notes, and I was accidentally rubbing up the mic and the iPad up against each other, and it was just inaudible. There were so many parts of that video I had to cut out because the audio quality was just so bad. The Lockhart is rumored to have a particular diminutive form, so then I went and got the stand that you guys see here. So let's just jump right in. Again, this is model T683, and here it is. So, okay, so right off the bat, I'll tell you that I am a big fan of when companies present their products in a very stylish fashion. Xbox seems to do this with their products, Apple with theirs. Sort of like as soon as you open it, it's bam, in your face, presenting you with the product, which is always nice and appealing on the eyes. Okay, I think this is for the metal ring. I think this is for the pop filter. Speaking of, here it is. Wow, that's really in there snug. It's a lot bigger than I thought it'd be. Pop filter I use here is a lot smaller. Oh, this one's nice. So it actually does come with the mic arm for the desk. Very nice. I can already tell that this one's better quality than the one I use. But to be fair, I bought like a really inexpensive one. I have seen better ones, more higher quality, but this is pretty good actually, I gotta say. All right, here you got the shock mount for the mic, which is kind of nice. I do not have one on my current stand, so this is actually a really nice shock mount. What does the shock mount do? Basically, if there's any type of vibration on the microphone, you shouldn't be able to detect it because the microphone sits here and it's held together by elastic bands that if the microphone shakes, it'll absorb all the vibration, so nothing should come across on the mic itself. All right, this here is the desk clamp. Wow, this is some heavy duty stuff. Like, now that I'm looking at this compared to what I have, like mine, it just makes it look really bad, so I'm glad to be getting an upgrade here. All right, let's take a look here. We have the cable, and it is USB-C on one end, and this looks like the old USB printer connector, or it's proprietary, one or the other. All right, so let's talk about the mic that we're here for, and definitely like the mic better. Right off the bat, I'll tell you, you have the same gain dial that you do in the previous model, but you also have a dedicated mute button, and in the back, you have a headphone jack. All right, so let's give you some of that nice, sweet B-roll of me comparing the two, unmounting the old one and mounting the new one. So here it is. All right, so we are all set up on the new microphone. What you are hearing right now should be coming through nice and clear on the new microphone model T683. And here's my old microphone, my I didn't know it was wired microphone. I'm gonna miss this thing, I gotta say. Like I said, it's been with me for just about a year. I think that's how long I've had the channel. So now for comparison, here's a clip of the old microphone. This is a test of my voice using the original FiFine mic. And here's a clip of the new microphone. This is a test using the new microphone FiFine model T683. So overall, it seems like this is definitely an upgrade. Let's talk a little bit about what you're getting with this bundle. You're getting the CarDroid streaming mic with the pop filter. It's excellent at eliminating background noise. The microphone itself has a good balance of bass and treble. And so far, with a little bit of use, I gotta say that I don't need to edit the sound at all. Whereas with my previous mic and some other mics that I've tried out, I have to mess with the audio settings a little bit to make it sound just right. You're getting the adjustable arm stand, you're getting the shock mount, the table mount, the boom arm, and a versatile cable that's about 6 feet long. It's USB-B on one end and USB-A and also C on the other end. You actually can choose between the two. Now let's talk about compatibility. It is compatible with Mac, any of your gaming consoles, any of your Windows PCs. Doesn't really matter the platform, this is still going to work. If you're going to connect it to an iPhone, you are going to need an iPhone Lightning to USB-C adapter. On the mic itself, you have the gain control, the mute button, and an LED indicator, green when you're talking, red when it's on mute. You also have the headphone jack in the back in case you want to put headphones on and hear yourself. And finally, for the price right now on Amazon, you can get it for $79.99. That is a great price considering the quality of the mic as well as everything that you're getting in this bundle. So shout out to FiFine for sending me this mic and allowing me to review it. I'll leave a link in the description below for my old mic and this new one in case you guys want to pick it up. And as usual, don't forget to hit that like button, leave your comments below, and sub if you already haven't.